Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to check copper quality step by step. Start by using a magnet to rule out ferrous metals, then wipe the surface clean with a soft cloth. Next, look for a bright reddish-orange color and avoid greenish or brown spots that indicate corrosion. Finally, compare weight against a known copper sample and record measurements for consistency in future checks. Start by cleaning a small test area with isopropyl alcohol to reveal the metal's true color. Gently perform a scratch test on an inconspicuous spot to see if different layers or plating appear. Observe the patina and surface texture closely. Consistent patina usually means uniform alloy content, while blotchy or layered surfaces suggest contamination or plating that lowers copper quality overall. Apply a copper test solution to a clean spot and watch for color change to confirm presence of copper ions. Use a handheld conductivity meter to measure electrical conductivity, which correlates strongly with purity levels. Always compare your readings to a reference copper sample to spot deviations, and record results for comparison over time to track any degradation or contamination that may occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.